Hello everyone, NJ here. I found this game in Roblox. This game lets you made a fireworks show. So behind me is a fireworks that I made. If you want to play this game, just search. This is the game, Fireworks Playground, made by Yuckmaster. This game was really fun, especially in New Year. The devs was really creative making this game. The fireworks are fire, and you can watch their channel in YouTube. You can watch him, and you can follow him in Roblox to get some free for fireworks. And if you want to see the fireworks show I made, just watch until in the end and enjoy. That's all. Thank you for watching.